Traffic rules test at an unregulated intersection. Who gives way to whom? Task. In what order will the vehicles pass through the intersection in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. The white and red cars simultaneously, then the yellow car, then the truck. 2. Red car, yellow car, white car, truck. 3. White car, truck, red car, yellow car. 4. Truck, yellow car, white car, and red car simultaneously. 5. Yellow car, white car, truck, red car. 6. They will drive off by mutual agreement. Analysis of the task. At the intersection, the drivers of the white and red cars drive straight ahead, while the drivers of the yellow car and truck turn left. The intersection is not equipped with traffic lights. There are no priority signs, and the road surface is the same on all roads. This means that in the situation depicted, we have an unregulated intersection of equal roads, where drivers are required to follow the rule of giving way to the right. Let's read the traffic rules. At an intersection of roads of equal importance, the driver of an unregulated vehicle must give way to vehicles approaching from the right, except at intersections where roundabout traffic is organized. However, in the situation depicted, each driver has an obstruction on the right side, so it is unclear who has the right of way. In such cases, the best solution is to agree to part ways by mutual agreement. For example, the driver of the red car will signal with his headlights that he is ready to give way to other road users. This will remove the obstacle on the right-hand side for the driver of the yellow car, allowing him to pass first. He will be followed by the driver of the white car and then the truck. The driver of the red car will deliberately be the last to leave the intersection. Correct answer number 6, they will drive off by mutual agreement.